Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this projector. So, just in case, I'm going to run the box, show you if there's any more information. As you guys can see, there's none. So whatever you guys see online, that's what you're going to get. By the way, I will be making a setup video, plus a manual and review. The review usually comes after a few weeks, because I test out everything. However, the manual and setup, that comes right away. So let's take this out. See, I missed something here. There we go. Manual. So yeah, don't worry about that, guys. You will get the video with the manual. So let's set that at the side. Let's put this like so. Okay, so let's start taking stuff out. What do we have here? This looks like an Hdmi cord. Yep. Alright, a pretty long Hdmi cord. It's not too long, it's about a meter and a half maybe just a meter. But that's the Hdmi cord that you get with this, which is good. A lot of things nowadays, even TVs come without Hdmi cords, you have to buy them on the side, right? So I'm happy we have this, which is basics. They should always come with this stuff. Then we have our controller. Alright, so here's our controller. This reminds me of the Apple TV controller. I don't know if you guys have ever seen an Apple TV, but this looks a lot like it. It's pretty nice. I wish this was touch or something, but then again, you don't really need that, right? These are the basics that you would need with any projector, really. There we go. Oh, let's check out the batteries. So it doesn't come with batteries, and we have to set up AAA batteries right here. Just gonna put this back. This is just to hook it up to some electricity. Again, we're looking at about a meter or so. It's not too long. I do appreciate when these come longer than this, but should do the job. And we got this adapter. So right now this is exactly what you guys get in the box. So you guys can see, that's it. There's nothing more in the box. It's everything I just showed you. So all this, it's in the box. So let's take a look at our projector. So this is a cap over it. Okay, very useful. Now a lot of the projectors that I messed around with, they don't have this. This is pretty basic. If you're gonna travel with it, you need something to put over the lens. So this is perfect. I'm actually happy about this. Now what I can tell you right away from what I can see about this projector is that it doesn't feel cheap. So cheap projectors, usually they're very light. They don't work that great. However, this feels good. Feels like it's got some heaviness to it. It's not too heavy either, but it's heavy enough that you can feel that there's something in here, right? And that it's quality. So here it is, here's the lens. Okay, got that. Now there's some buttons on the top, which are the same ones that we get in the controller. Now on the back, we're gonna see BGA, which we still use sometimes with older stuff. HDMI is what you always need. We got a USB input, AV, and headphones. And right here, it's actually SD card slot. I wasn't sure about it, but yes, it's definitely an SD card slot. So that's really great actually. Got some ventilation on the side. Now on the bottom, you see we have that plus this. This usually just to adjust. Yeah, so if we need to put this so it views up a little bit, then we would put this up and we can adjust it to whatever you guys want. So let's see how tall this goes. Sometimes we need to our projector to go really high. So it goes up to this height. So you guys can see how big this screw is. I'm just gonna put it back. So that's pretty neat. It goes pretty high. On the bottom we have some pretty basic information, and that's about it. On the side we have this. That's just to plug it in, get some electricity through here, and that's it. That's all the way around our projector. Anyways, hopefully you guys got a good glimpse of this projector and what comes in the box. You guys will get to see how this works and everything with the setup video plus the review and manual for this projector. However, for now, it's just an unboxing. So we saw everything that comes in the box. To give you a better idea of how big this is, let me just show you. So here's a really small Samsung tablet. just to show you the size so you know how big this is. That's how big the Samsung tablet is. That's how big this is. Okay. I can also compare in size with a remote from Xbox. So you guys get to see this is how big this is compared to this projector. So if you guys have an Xbox or just a controller from a Wii or something like that, it's pretty similar to this. That's how big this is. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.